guys, welcome back to our channel, Living in Haiti, episode 3. We're doing the house tour that you guys all asked for on Instagram, but we're giving you the version you weren't expecting.
Alright guys, so we're going to give you this house tour because you might think you have an idea of what the house looks like, but there are some funny things, things that are a little bit different than what you would expect in this house. So we're going to show you around. Callista's going to do some, I'll show you some, so be ready.
Okay, so we are going to start on the outside of our house. Obviously, it is a gorgeous house, but like we said in the beginning, we're going to be showing you the reality of how we live here and how this house doesn't really function as it looks like it should. Now we're going to be going inside of our house. This is the first floor, and to the right we have Worthy and Gospel's room. Most of you probably know Worthy. She's the little girl with Down syndrome, always on my story, that is always dancing and singing. So this is their little room.
Worthy has to sleep with a bassinet because get some flies on her. And what? I don't know, we can just cut that.
What the heck? She needs a bassinet.
This is, wait, what is this called?
It's a mosquito net.
Oh, a mosquito net. I said bassinet.
A bassinet's like a little baby.
Well, I learned something today. Alright, now we're going to go in the living room and show you guys the place where we chill and hang out.
Our puppies are in here. Welcome to the living room.
We got Hank, Whiskey, Moses. Oh, what's going on over here, guys?
Worthy and Gospel are fighting. Worthy, can you say hi to our YouTubers?
Is that your baby? Oh. Oh gosh. Whoa, Worthy, no.
No fighting. Okay guys, now we're gonna go look at the kitchen. So guys, this is our pantry. We got all the good stuff. Sardines, saltines, puppy protein, and you know, our protein. No, we're not sponsored by Herbalife, but if you want to sponsor us, you can. And behind this lovely pantry is our rat trap, because we have how many rats in this house?
Thousands.
Thousands. We have them nesting everywhere. For example, this little hole in our cupboard right here, there's a rag blocking it right now, but behind that rag is a nest full of mice, rats, you know.
The other day, we were actually watching TV in the room, and we looked over and we saw a rat just hopping down the stairs.
Yes.
So they think it's their home now, but we don't want them here.
Super gross. Right here, this bad boy is all of our drinking water. That's all of our drinking water, because in this house we cannot drink the water that comes out of the sink. So that's where we get all of it. This is our little stove. Right now Jeanette is cooking up something nice. It looks like we got some cheesy potatoes today for lunch. And then over here is where we keep all of our dry ingredients. So you see we got some oatmeal, some popcorn, some rice, and here's all of our eggs. In Haiti, we do keep them on the counter.
You will likely see a lot of these around the house. That is because there's no AC. So everyone gets their own fan when you sleep, when you're getting hot. It's coming handy because, like I said, no AC.
Here in this house, our power all comes from our inverter and generator, which this is right here. I have no idea what any of it does at all, but this is what makes our house run. We also have a bunch of solar panels up on top of the roof, and that's a majority of our power. And then we have a million batteries on the side of our house too that fuels up our house. Now we are going to be taking you guys upstairs.
Oh, hey, didn't know you were there. So guys, this room is for teens. So you see it's very bunked out. That is because all the girls usually sleep in here. So when there's teams here doing missional work, this is where they stay.
And then in here we have a bathroom which our teams use, but also when teams are not here, me and my little sister Sailor. Oh, hey there. Oh, sorry, I got distracted. We use this bathroom, so we've got some of our stuff down here. If any of you guys are looking for some hair products to use, I highly recommend these. No, we're not sponsored by them either, but I just thought I'd give you guys some tips. Oh, hey, didn't know you were there. This is our shower. Okay, come over here, Ben. As you can see, we have 2 knobs, which in America, that would mean hot water, cold water. But guess what? We don't have hot water here. So right here is how we turn it on. You see very high pressure. This is where we take showers. I take about 3 a day because, man, it is hot here. And then another awesome thing about Haiti living, this trash bin right here, yeah, it's holding all our poopy toilet paper because you can't flush toilet paper here. And then, come over here. This is our bad boy toilet. I'm going to demonstrate for you how long it takes to flush. Because in America, you don't know how lucky you are that your flush just goes right down. Yep, still going. And let me tell you, it'll be still going for another minute and a half. Still rolling. Yep, still going. That's so unsanitary. Okay, well, it's still going and you guys are probably bored, so we're done with that.
Now, we are joking a lot about our house. A lot of that is because it's not what we're used to in America, but we will say we are super grateful to have it because in Haiti, a lot of people have it a lot worse. So we're not trying to say that because our situation's so bad at all. We really have it good here.
Yeah, no, we know that we're thankful. The fact that we have a toilet here, the fact that we even have a shower with cold water, like a lot of people don't have that, so we are very fortunate. And we're even fortunate like in the missionary world too, because we just had a friend come over here and she was like, you guys have running water? You can charge your phones. Like she didn't even have that, so we are very blessed. But since it isn't like at all what we are used to in America and it's probably not what you guys are used to, we're just putting a little funny twist on like all of the things that are harder here. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the prettiest part of our house, the balcony. Excuse the tape. I don't know what happened. Maybe a rock got thrown, I don't know. But this is the balcony. It's where we do school, where people do Bible studies. Dorian, he is doing it right now.
Whoa, look at that.
Dorian, can you say hi?
Hello.
Ciao.
Ciao.
And then look at these views. I mean, if the camera would let you
God.
see. Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Look at those beautiful views. It's so peaceful out here. I just love coming out here all the time. And it's the coolest part of the house. It is like 90 degrees every day here. You guys probably think I'm crazy because I'm wearing long sleeves and jeans right now, but
I'm wearing sweatpants.
I don't know. It felt like the move today. I'm going to take the camera from Ben now, and he's going to show you our bedrooms.
After you go through the balcony, this is where you would lead to the bedrooms. Right here you see all the books that we study so rigorously. Just kidding. But in here is our room. So you got Roman here studying like a good student.
Romy, say hi.
So you got a few beds in here. So we got Roman's bed over there, Oxen there, Benjamin's bed here.
Breaks it.
And like I said before, you can see all the fans that we have here. Just to keep ourselves cool. Otherwise, you would be sweating your shirt off. And then if we go over here, this is the bathroom. So this is usually a shared bathroom between the 2 rooms. But right now...
Oh, hey there. Sorry, I got distracted again.
Right now, the girls are using the other bathroom. So this is just mainly our room. Like she said before, toilet. Yeah.
Their
trash.
toilet is way better than the girls. It does not take 2 minutes to flush. And then
Trash.
same thing again, only cold water here.
Yep, so that, and then show you in this room.
This is my bedroom.
Right now you got Sailor. She's chilling under the bed.
Oh, the princess of Haiti right here.
She's a little embarrassed.
But yes, this is our crib.
Yep. You can see here. Calista kind of likes me. She's got a few pictures of me. No big deal.
I mean, I don't like him that much.
Well, no big deal. The prettiest girl in the world likes me, guys.
Oh, stop.
Welcome to the back house. I actually spent a month back here last summer. We don't have keys to get in, but basically there's a room here, a little kitchen, makeshift suitcase area, and another room on the far end. And then this is where you might have seen some workout clips. This is where we do a lot of our workout stuff. We got some pretty nice equipment, so that is super cool. Lots of bands. We had a bags tournament. Me and Calista are the champs.
Undefeated, baby.
So this is Joseph's room when he stays at the house. And then here's the kitchen. We got Giovanni cleaning right now. And then this is where all the food is cooked. So
Yes, this is where all the meals are prepared. Lovely little Haitian kitchen. Giovanni, parlez bonjour.
this is where we actually eat during the day because it's so hot inside. It's really nice to come outside and eat. Let's see what we got. Right now we got our lunch being served. That's pretty cool. Whoa. And yeah.
So guys, that wraps it up for our house tour. Thank you if you guys watched to the end. I hope you guys learned something new about us, learned something new about our daily life, and got a new perspective about what we do here and how everything runs here. Ben, you got anything to say?
Yeah, I'm just super grateful for all the support, and I promise you guys we're going to be showing some more new stuff every week. I think we've kind of narrowed it down to Sundays, so we'll be posting videos every Sunday, and hopefully we'll be able to get out soon and show you around Haiti.
Yes, thank you guys for sticking around for episode 3. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, put on our notification bell to see when we post videos.
Yes.
Like Ben said, mostly Sundays. Thanks.